Hi, if you are new to CAM and wish to understand more about Autodesk Inventor CAM, you have come to the right place. My name is Maxon and I'm from Reliant, and today I'll be discussing with you about the concepts of Inventor CAM. The workflow of Inventor CAM involves 4 stages. In stage 1, we work with the setup. In stage 2, we work with the toolpaths, and then in stage 3 we simulate our toolpaths. Once everything is good, then we proceed to the final stage where we generate our G-code via post-process. Here's a simple component which is from the built-in tutorial of Inventor CAM. We'll use this to set up. So I click on setup, then I select my machine. In this case, I'm just going to take the generic 3-axis. Next, I'm going to pick the machining process. Let's take milling. And then we have to set up the WCS. There are many ways to set up. I'll just pick one. In this case, first selection has to be the Z direction, Z axis. And then the second one would be the x-axis. So the third button would be selecting the point, the stop point. In this case, I'll just click it at the left corner. Then in the stock, you can actually change the size and the shape of your stock from here. Okay, I'm going to go for relative size, and I'm just going to change, for example, offset of 5 mm on the top and side surface. If I rotate, now we are into stage 2, which is setting up the toolpaths. I'm going to use a face milling. So next we select the tool. There are libraries here. I'll just pick one. Then we select the geometry. Notice it's automatically selected, the geometry for facing. I'm just going to change the passes extension. That's it. Now click on simulate. Enable the stock so you can see the preview of the stock. And then when you click play, it will generate and show you. From here you can check whether there's any error or any changes that you wish to adjust. I've done in advance the other process, the other strategies for this component. As you can see, if you want to know more detail, okay, you can actually follow the built-in tutorial of Inventor CAM. So here I'm playing the preview for you to see. The first process is the facing. Next we move on to the next strategy, contour. And then boring for both of the contour bore, drilling, and finally tapping. The final stage would be the post-processing stage. We refresh by clicking generate. Then we can start the post-process. From here, there's already a list of library, so you pick the correct one, correct brand, and click post. Then select where you want to save your G-code. Once done, it will show you the G-code. This is how it looks like. That's it. To recap, The concept of Inventor CAM involves 4 stages. So we go through setup, toolpaths, simulate, and post-process whenever we use Inventor CAM. I hope you have a better understanding now of Inventor CAM. Don't forget to like our Facebook at facebook.com/RDSSB. Thank you, and I'll see you again.